You run your hand along your cabinet doors and it comes away sticky, no matter how many times you've wiped them down this month. That's not your cleaner being weak. It's because grease and airborne cooking oil bond chemically to wood finish over time, and plain soap and water can't break that bond. It just spreads it around. There are 4 ways to actually dissolve that buildup instead of smearing it, and the cheapest one costs about 30 cents and is probably sitting in your fridge door right now. The oldest method traces back to ancient Babylon. Stay with me, because I'm walking through exactly what cuts through grease and what just moves it around. Cabinet and surface cleaner brands profit from formulas that smell strong and evaporate fast, giving you the sensation of a clean surface while leaving the actual oil bond mostly intact underneath. A repeat purchase spray that needs reapplying every single week keeps a multi-billion-dollar surface cleaner category selling, when a 30-cent degreasing solution handles the same buildup permanently in one pass. Fix number 1, vinegar and hot water, 30 cents total. Ancient Babylonians documented fermented acetic acid for cleaning as early as 3000 BC, and that same acidity is what breaks the molecular bond between grease and wood finish today. Mix 1/2 cup white vinegar into 2 cups hot water, apply with a microfiber cloth using circular motion, focus on handles and edges where hand-transferred oil concentrates most. Never use it full strength on unsealed wood. The acid can strip finish if left sitting too long. Fix number 2, baking soda paste, 20 cents for the amount used per application. Mix 3 tablespoons baking soda with 1 tablespoon water into a thick paste. The mild alkaline abrasive lifts caked-on grease mechanically, rather than just dissolving it, making it the better option for buildup that's hardened over months, rather than fresh daily grease. Apply with a soft bristled brush, let sit 5 minutes, wipe clean with a damp microfiber cloth. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes: scrubbing hard with a rough sponge to force grease off. That just pushes the oil deeper into wood grain and finish seams instead of lifting it, and on painted cabinets it can dull the sheen permanently within weeks. Fix number 3. Castile soap and hot water, 15 cents per application from a bottle that lasts months. Mix 1 tablespoon Castile soap into 2 cups hot water. The plant oil surfactants developed in Aleppo over 1,000 years ago work by binding to grease molecules and lifting them away in the wash water rather than just spreading them thin. This method is gentlest on painted or glossy cabinet finishes where vinegar's acidity is too aggressive for daily use. Fix number 4. Cornstarch dry absorption, 5 cents per use, for grease that's still fresh rather than hardened. Sprinkle a thin layer directly on a new grease spot, let it sit 15 minutes to absorb the oil before it bonds to the surface, then brush away and wipe with a damp cloth. This step, done immediately after cooking, prevents roughly 80% of grease from ever setting into a hardened film in the first place. None of these methods restore cabinet finish that's already been permanently damaged by years of untreated grease buildup. That requires refinishing, not cleaning. Vinegar also shouldn't touch unsealed or unfinished wood, since the acid can warp and discolor raw grain over repeated use. 70 cents total for every method combined, versus $8 to $15 per bottle of commercial degreaser you'll rebuy every few weeks. If this finally explains that sticky residue you keep wiping at, hit that like button. It tells me what to break down next. Subscribe to The Big Sweep if you want more of these. Drop a comment telling me how bad your cabinets get between cleanings, and which method you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. Stay sharp out there.